Alright, so let's get going. So you're going to have 6 screws to take out. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the rest are rivets. A trick you can do is rub the tip of your screwdriver onto a magnet to magnetize it, and then, you know, make things a lot easier. It's only temporary magnetization, but what? Anything helps. Alright, now it should separate rather easily. Be careful of the wire for your fans. And then when you remove this wire, make sure to pull from the actual plug, not the wires. Sometimes it's a little difficult.